Okay, so hey guys, welcome back. Another day, another video. And in this video I'm going to be doing something different. In this video I'll be teaching you guys something, and I'll be teaching you guys the revolution cut. That's it. It is a very simple move. It is a very basic move of cardistry, but it holds a very dear place in my heart and it is one of the fundamental things that you need to know. Okay, and learning this move will help you feel more confident. I mean, this is just some kind of move that if you just sit around and do, you will just look cool. People are gonna ask you how you're doing it. I mean, I did it in front of my friends and they are always impressed. Okay, and the next thing is that this move teaches you the vital importance of pinky finger in cardistry or even magic. Okay, so let's just dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is to hold the deck in the straddle grip, and the straddle grip is this. You basically keep your deck in your hand, your pinky goes to the bottom, your index on the top, and your thumb lies on the side, just rests there, and the remaining two fingers are on the other side. Okay, it sounds simple enough, but trust me, the straddle grip will give you trouble, especially your pinky finger. Your hand is gonna cramp, your forearm is gonna cramp if you do this for a long period of time. But I highly suggest you guys to make it a second nature to hold the cards in a straddle grip, because you have to be familiarized with the motion of your pinky finger. Remember, your pinky finger is your best friend in card magic or in cardistry, because like the pinky finger is facing you, not the audience, so you can fumble around, you can cut the deck from the behind, you can count the cards for break, all sorts of things. Okay, the next thing is that in doing a lot of these cardistry moves, or even in some kind of magic moves, right, tricks, your pinky finger will help to prevent the cards from sliding off. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is just warm up your hands first, and then keep the cards in your hand. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to do the hardest thing first. Okay, don't start with this easiest thing, start with the hardest thing first. Keep your pinky finger down, curled up on the bottom of the deck. Okay, the next thing is put your index finger on top and your thumb is going to rest on the other side, and make sure about 1/3 of your thumb is sticking out. Okay, so this is the straddle grip. And the way to know that if your straddle grip is good or not, you should be able to hold the entire deck with just your index finger and your pinky finger. Okay, so now that is the first step, to hold the deck in the straddle grip. Now in doing this move, keep in mind, tilt the deck at around 45 degrees. Okay, so this will help, because in this trick you will need the assistance of gravity, but not so much that your cards are just gonna slip down. Okay, now I had a lot of trouble learning this trick. I mean, I was very stubborn. There was no one to teach me this trick. I had to download the video and then play back the video in 0.25 speed, pause the video, put my fingers on exactly the same position that they had. The person who did the revolution cut had their fingers in that position, right? So I'm just going to give you some tricks and tips to get through this move easier. Okay, so the first thing is learn the straddle grip. Get your pinky finger strong. Okay, and do this move as slow as possible, and at any point if you feel difficulty, use the assistance of your other hand. Okay, so now once you're in this position, remember you had your thumb sticking out just a little bit. Move your thumb back, okay, and contact the posterior corner of the deck right here, and now you're gonna lift with your thumb, you see, and as the thumb moves, your index and your pinky finger will move as well. Okay, and the next thing is try to relax your hand a bit. Don't just cramp up like this, and just try to move the deck. It's just gonna fall off. you know, it should be comfortable, right? Just like that. Okay, just like that. It should be light enough. And then put your thumb on the posterior corner. Remember to relax and then just slightly lift it. This is the second step. And now the third step is to simply slide your thumb towards the middle of the deck. Okay, so you're up to here, right? On the corner, slide up to the middle, and then from this point on you're going to just cut the deck in half. Now how you do this is, once you're in this position, get back till here and just, you know, like just push the top cards up a bit and then let go of your index finger, tilt the deck up to about 45 degrees, and remember to prevent the cards from sliding down with the pinky finger. Just do this. Let the index finger go and just loosen your grip a little bit, and gravity will do the rest. Okay, so you're here. Just do this. Index finger is off. Just that. Okay, now remember, at this point, if you find it difficult to do this, just do this. Put the cards on your hand, cut it with your other hand, put it in this position, and put your thumb over here, and just get familiarized with the feeling of holding the cards in the perfect position. This is vital in doing any kind of trick. Even if you have difficulty, even if you just mess up like this, for example, you're cutting the deck and it just slides off, it is messy, don't worry about it. Just clean it up, okay? Just like that. This will give you confidence in moving to the other part. You just have to break the moves in chunks and just practice it, okay? So, up, slide, cut, and down, okay? Now, the next thing is, remember your index finger was free. Now bring it up to this corner, okay? And then now you'll have to be able to grip the deck with just your index and thumb, just like this, okay? Yeah, remember your pinky is still down there. Now here comes the part that is the most difficult. Now you'll have to lift the deck just like this, right? Now watch. If you see the packet on top is free to move just like so. You see that? If you move your thumb, the packet will move. Okay, so this will be important for you. Move the pack a little bit and try to bring your ring finger at the bottom first. Okay, if you can do up to this point, now try to do it a little bit more. Move the deck, pivot with the help of your thumb like this, and then bring your index finger right up to this corner. Now at this point, the cards are being held by your thumb. The top packet is being held by your thumb, your index finger, and your ring finger. The middle finger is just supporting the cards from falling off, and the pinky finger just resting over here in its normal position, and this packet is just being held in its own. Don't worry about it right now, okay? So from the beginning, don't worry, this point is extremely difficult, so just do it again and again until you get the hang of it. So we were here, up, slide, cut, down, and then change the grip, let go of these fingers, pivot the cards with the help of your thumb, and bring your ring finger to touch the thumb. Okay, your ring finger is going to touch the thumb, and at this position, this transition is very difficult. Now you let go of your thumb and hold the card with the help of just your index and your ring finger. Okay, so do this. Take half of the deck off and then just do this. Okay, put the card in the middle and just do this. Your hands will start to cramp up, your forearm is gonna hurt, but trust me, this is worth it. Okay, now just shake your hands. Okay, just shake it, get some blood flowing over there. Now remember, every step, straddle grip, everything is perfect. Second step, behind, up, cut, down, perfect, right? Till now you are doing great, everything is fine. change the grip, let go, bring your ring finger, like pivot the deck with the help of your thumb, and as soon as you do that, bring your ring finger and touch it with your thumb, just like that, okay? Just like that. Let go of the thumb, and as soon as you're in this position, your hands will automatically try to straighten out. You see that? Automatically. And it will go. Now remember, my hands automatically went there. I'll just show you guys. Now look at the pinky finger. It will go down, right? Now the pinky finger is just here to catch the cards, you see, from falling off. You see, it's starting to fall off. That's why I told you guys to keep it at a 45 degrees angle. Okay, this card has cleared off, and then you are in this position. Okay, and then just curl your index finger down and bring the entire apparatus that you have in your hands close together and close. Okay, the last portion is very difficult, so I'm going to teach you that again. So straddle grip, up, slide, cut, change the grip. Up to here you are perfect. Okay, switch the deck, and in this right here, some of the people will have difficulty clearing the deck and your cards will just fall off like that. So this is what I'm going to tell you guys. Okay, take your thumb and place it naturally on the top of the bottom packet and slightly, you see that, slightly lift the cards. You see that? Lift it just like that. Okay, it doesn't matter if the cards fall off, it does not matter. You just need to get the mechanics correct. Okay, so once again, right here, slightly lift it up and just open up your hands. Just open it up. Alright, don't worry, your pinky is there to guard the cards from falling off, and all the other fingers are there to guard it. Just clear it out. Just clear the cards. As soon as the cards are clear with each other, curl your index finger in and then slowly close it. Slowly close it. Okay, so it's like this. You're turning the deck, your thumb pushes it down, and as it is cleared, you curl the index finger in and slowly close. Okay, so once again, straddle grip, drop, slide, cut, drop with the help of gravity, of course, and then switch the grip, take your ring finger back, bring the thumb, don't just bring your ring finger, move your thumb as well, pivot the top card with the help of your thumb, touch it, let go with the thumb, start to pivot the cards, remember to extend your pinky finger right, slowly push the top card with the help of your thumb and then clear the deck, just like that. You see, it will fall off, don't worry, and then close the cards. Okay. And just practice. You will get a hang of it, trust me. Day 1, nothing is gonna work. Day 2, nothing is gonna work. Day 3, your hands are gonna cramp. You're just gonna tear off your cards. I have messed up 2 or 3 decks doing this trick. Day 4, okay, you're starting to get a hang of it. You will probably get around here easily, but the trouble will be clearing the deck. But just trust me, just keep at it. Try to expand your hands just like that, right? Your index finger is going to come in the middle. This is going to be, you are going to face this position, I'm sure. But at least you close the cards, right? Just keep at it. And by the end of the week, trust me, you know, and try to do the cards on the other hand as well. I'm not so good at it, but still. Okay, so this is how you got. This is how it is going to look for you guys. Watch. This is very awkward for me. Like that, you're going to clear and this. Okay, so, but trust me, keep doing it, guys, and at the end, you guys will be able to do it as easy as this. Okay. So once again, recap. Straddle grip. Just hold your cards in this grip and watch a movie. That's it. Okay? Then just after you do that, after you're comfortable with this portion, just do this. Keep doing this. Okay? Keep doing this. And then just cut the cards with the help of gravity. 45 degrees angle, switch, move and clamp, thumb goes off, pivot, see that? Thumb just push the top card down, curl your index finger just like that, and then just close it. At this position you can just squeeze the card. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you guys practice, and please don't get frustrated. You will, but try to move past it, because after you learn the revolution card, after it becomes easy for you, trust me, you'll be doing that as soon as you get the cards in your hands. I mean, this is my go-to move that I do, you know, and it looks really good. I mean, this is your first step in cardistry, so please practice. At least give it 1 week, and don't show this trick to anyone until you perfect it. Okay, that is the mistake that I did. I was so anxious to show my friends my cards, I mean the thing that I learned, but the thing I did was I fumbled, I was nervous, I messed up, and it was ugly. So I urge you guys to practice it properly, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So like, subscribe, and keep practicing. Please just keep practice. Alright, see you guys.